Pokemon Red and Pokemon Blue are basically the same game. Everyone knows that you had to have both games to catch all 151 Pokemon, because there were a handful of Pokemon on each version that you couldn't get and needed the other version to trade them over. But other than that, the games are basically identical. And that made me wonder, would you be able to put a Pokemon Blue save file onto a Pokemon Red cartridge? Well, we're gonna find out. So the first thing we're gonna need to do is back up the save file on this Pokemon Blue. To do that, I'm using this cartridge reader so that I could rip the save file and then save it to my computer. All right, now we just need to plug in the Pokemon Red cartridge and then drop that save file onto it. Alright, now that that's transferred, let's put Pokemon Red here back into my analog pocket and see what happens. It seems to boot up just fine, and the save file is loading, and when I open it up, it looks like everything's good. All the Pokemon that I had are there from Pokemon Blue, so I guess the save files are interchangeable. I am actually a little bit surprised that this worked with how buggy the Gen 1 games are known to be. So now that we know that Blue will transfer over to Red, I have an idea of what we need to try next.